we move on further and see how this automation can be created, let's see how this automation is going to work. So for the first name, I am going to keep it as demo. For the last name, I am going to keep it as user. So let's enter user. For the email address, let's keep it as demo555@pabblytudes.com. For the phone number, first of all, let's select the country as India and enter the phone number over here. After this, I am going to enter the city as Bhopal. And before I submit this form, I'm just going to show you my WhatsApp. As you can see, I have only a single message right now, but once I'm going to click on this submit, instantly and in real time, I am going to receive a new message. So yes, you can see I have received a new message which says new event registration received, name, email, phone and city. So I use Typeform to collect the registrations for the events, and I want that whenever I receive a new event registration, instantly this WhatsApp message should be received to me, so that I can keep the track of all the participants in a single WhatsApp chat. So useful, so easy, and yes, this doesn't require any manual intervention. You just have to create an automation, and then this is going to run in backend, and you just have to sit back and relax. And in order to learn how to create this automation, please watch this tutorial till the end. So now you have seen the proper working of this automation. Now let's see how this automation can be created. So to create this, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Once you're on the landing page of Pabbly Connect, in the top right corner, you are going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can send up to 100 of WhatsApp messages for free, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and for that we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. The discount coupon code is RITYT. Use this discount coupon code to get a heavy discount. Alright, so now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, click on this add trigger button, and now for the trigger application you have to select it as the form application using which you're collecting the registrations, and then select it. For the event, select it as new entry and click on this connect. Now if you've already created this connection between Typeform and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with Typeform. Now what you have to do is you have to make sure that your Typeform account is logged in before starting with the automation. Otherwise, first Pabbly is going to ask you to log in your Typeform account, and then only going to get this option to click on this accept. So now as you can see that Pabbly is asking us for some permissions. So what we have to do is we have to click on this accept and give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for, because your data is 100% safe with us, no need to worry. Once you click on this accept, your Typeform account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. After creating this connection, you just have to select the form over here which is event registration for me, and now for the response format, keep it as advanced and then click on this save and send test request. Once you're going to click on this save and send test request, it is going to say waiting for webhook response, and in order to capture this webhook response, you just have to open the form for which you want to create this automation. So this is the form for which I want to create this automation. So you have to go towards the share of the same form. After you come on the share of the same form, you have to copy this form link. So basically what you have to do is you have to fill in this form and submit this form. Okay, so we have to go towards this copy link and open this link in a new tab, and we're going to fill in this form and submit it. Alright, so for the first name, I'm going to keep it as test. Now for the last name, I'm going to keep it as user. So I'm going to type user. Now for the email, I'm going to keep it as testing@pabblytudes.com. For the phone number, I'm going to first of all select the country as India and then enter the phone number as this. Now let's move on further. Now for the city, let's enter the city as Bhopal over here and click on this submit. Now we have successfully submitted this form, so let's open our workflow and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same right over here. And yes, you can see that we have successfully captured the response, and this is the proof of a successful connection. As you can see, we have captured all the details like the first name, last name, email, phone number and city. Now let's send an automated WhatsApp notification of new event registration received. Alright, so let's go back towards our workflow and click on this add new action step. For the action application, I'm going to use Pabbly Chatflow in order to send automated WhatsApp messages. You can use any another application too. Alright, Pabbly supports Wati, AI Sensei, WhatsApp Cloud API and many more. You just have to check for your application. We support most of them. So you have to select the same. For the event selected as send text message, click on this connect. Now if you already created a connection between Pabbly Chatflow and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and it is asking for this token. So to get this token, you just have to open your Pabbly Chatflow account, and after you come on the dashboard of your Pabbly Chatflow account, first of all make sure that you've added a WhatsApp number over here. Now from the left hand of the side, go on this settings and then you have to go on this API and webhooks. You're going to see this API token, so just copy this API token and paste it right over here in your workflow and then click on this save, and your Pabbly Chatflow account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. After creating this connection, it is asking for the recipient WhatsApp mobile number. So I want to receive these notifications on my mobile number, so I'm just going to enter my mobile number right over here. After entering this, let's move on further. For the WhatsApp message, I want the message something to be like this. First of all, I'm just going to type this new event registration received, then the name, email, phone and the city of the user. And now it is asking me for this WhatsApp message. So to get this WhatsApp message, I'm going to enter the same WhatsApp message first of all over here. So let's just copy and paste it. But now in this WhatsApp message, I am just going to change the details of the one who filled in this form, and I'm going to enter the new details. But over here is a hack that you don't have to enter the details manually by tapping it like this, but instead you have to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So one by one I am going to map the details, and in order to map these details, put a slash and then search for the detail which you wish to map and map it like this. After completing this WhatsApp message, it is asking for the name, so let's just map the name of the one who submitted the form. So I have not mapped this phone number because this is going to remain the same. Only the details which are going to change should be mapped, otherwise keep the rest of the details as static. It is saying opted in, so yes, select it as yes. Incoming blocked, keep it as no. It is saying tags to remove, so if you want to remove some tags, you can definitely select the same, and same goes for the add to tags. Now it is asking me for the keys, so over here you can enter comma separated keys. You just have to switch on this button and erase all the details. Further, if you want to enter the key, just type the same and automatically the field for the same will appear. If not, just delete it, but make sure that this button should be switched on. Alright, so now let's move on further and click on this save and send test request. Once we're going to click on the save and send test request, you're going to see that we have received the response which says message sent. So let's open our WhatsApp, and yes, we have received a new message. New event registration received, name, email, phone and the city. A new participant has successfully registered for the event. Review the details and reach out if any follow-up or confirmation is required. So within seconds and in real time, I have received this automated WhatsApp message like I showed you in the starting of this video. Now what is going to happen is, whenever someone submits this form and registers for the event, instantly and in real time an automated WhatsApp message something like this will be sent towards me. And what is going to happen is, I can keep a track of all the ones who have registered for the event instead of manually going to the forms dashboard and checking it regularly. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll just attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check it out. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.